Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of sun protection with Dot Key Sunscreens. In this video, I will be reviewing all the 4 sunscreens from Dot Key. I have been using them for a couple of months and I will be sharing my honest experience with them. But before starting my video, please remember skincare is subjective. What works for me might not work for you, and please do a patch test before trying out any new skincare products. Now I'm done with the intro and let's jump into the video. Dot Key has gained popularity for its innovative skincare products and their sunscreens are no exception. With a range of formulation to suit different skin types and needs, let's explore some of their top picks. Firstly, we have this Dot Key Vitamin C plus E Sunscreen SPF 50 with PA 4+. It is infused with vitamin C and Sicilian blood orange. It claims to reduce dullness and dark spots caused by excessive sun exposure. Protects skin against damaging UVA, UVB and blue light rays. It has a water-like texture as you can see in the video. It is on the runnier side, that's why it spreads beautifully on my skin. It is quick absorbing and gives a dewy finish. It has zero white cast. Some of the key ingredients of this sunscreen are vitamin C that treats dullness and dark spots while controlling free radical damage. It also has Sicilian blood orange, which is rich in antioxidant and it boosts collagen for firm and re-energized skin. It also has vitamin E that soothes inflammation and irritation caused by sun exposure. It has both inorganic and organic UV filters. It has octinoxate, abebenzone, oxybenzone or benzophenone 3, and lastly titanium dioxide. The only problem with this sunscreen is that it pales when paired up with different moisturizers. But I have noticed that after moisturizing my face, if I wait for 20 to 25 minutes and then apply the sunscreen, it doesn't peel on my skin. So this is the only issue that I have with this sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 445 rupees. Next we have the Dot Key Cica plus Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50 PA triple pluses. Powered by hybrid UV filters, it blocks UVA and UVB rays while keeping pollutants at bay. It has a oil-free, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into my skin. It doesn't peel on my skin and it has zero white cast. Some of the key ingredients of this sunscreen are Cica, which is a healing herb. It helps to soothe inflammation and redness. It also has niacinamide that fades acne scars and dark spots. It also has both organic and inorganic UV filters. It has octisalate, homosalate, zinc oxide, tinosorb A to B, tinosorb M, and tinosorb S. It is oxybenzone-free, non-comedogenic, and fragrance-free formula. It is perfect for oily and acne-prone skin type. 50 gram retails for 495 rupees. Next we have the Dot Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen SPF 50 and PA 4+. It provides oil-free hydration while reducing uneven skin tone. It blocks UVA, UVB, blue light rays to check tanning and sunburn. It has a gel cream kind of a texture and it is a quick absorbing formula that blends seamlessly into my skin. It also has zero white cast. It feels very light on my skin. Some of the key ingredients of this sunscreen are watermelon extracts that controls excess oil with an instant cooling sensation. So whenever you apply this sunscreen, you feel a cooling sensation on your skin, which is perfect during summer times. It also has hyaluronic acid that provides lightweight hydration. It also has beetroot extract that helps with better vitamin D absorption for healthy skin. It is great for oily to combination skin, but any skin type can use it. Again, it has both organic and inorganic filters. So it has octinoxate, abobenzone, benzophenone 3 or oxybenzone, and lastly titanium dioxide. 50 gram retails for 445 rupees. Lastly, we have this Dot Key Barrier Repair Sunscreen SPF 50 plus and PA 4+. It is a hydrating sunscreen for healthy and sun protected skin. It claims to repair and boost the skin barrier with long-lasting hydration. It has a light water cream texture. Again, it has a quick absorbing formula which almost feels like a lightweight hydrating moisturizer when you apply it on your skin. It has zero white cast and it is ideal for all skin types. It has 6 UV filters and broad spectrum protection. It also has both organic and inorganic UV filters. So it has octinoxate, abobenzone, benzophenone 3 or oxybenzone, euvinyl A+, titanium dioxide, and octisalate. Some of the key ingredients of this sunscreen are ceramides. It has 5 types of different ceramides that helps to strengthen skin barrier and lock in moisture for healthy skin. It also has hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrates the skin and heals dry, rough patches. It also has blueberry extract which is rich in antioxidant. It helps with free radical damage for healthy skin texture. It has a natural finish. With its water-resistant formula, it is ideal for outdoor activities like swimming or sports. Plus, its non-comedogenic formula won't clog pores, making it suitable for all skin types. 50-gram retails for 445 rupees. All of these sunscreens are non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and water-resistant. All the 4 sunscreens, my favorites are the Watermelon Sunscreen and the Barrier Repair Sunscreen. And I will be buying these for sure. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you did, please like this video, share it with your family and friends who might find it helpful. Please comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel as it would mean a lot to me and it would help my channel a lot. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.